How to reinstall Windows Security in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let's dive right in. First things first, go to the search bar and then search for settings. So, open up your settings and then go to system on the left hand side. Uh, and then on the left hand side, look for apps. Go ahead and tap on it and then go to installed apps. Now, uh, here you can search for Windows Security. If you don't find it, go to System Components and then here look for Windows Security. So once you find it, go ahead and tap on three dots and tap on Advanced Options and then scroll down, and here you'll find the repair and reset option. So if the system component isn't working, you can just repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. However, if you want to reinstall everything again, then you'll have to tap on reset. The system component's data will also be deleted. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.